Hello, my name is Milo, and today is February 14, 2024. You know what that means? It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day all over the world. I'm gonna show you, see what my husband brought me. He does this to me every year. I saved them and I have stack of them. So I'm gonna show you what he brought me. It's a very simple thing. I don't need any expensive stuff. It's the thoughts that counts. So I don't need any jewelry. I don't need any expensive dinner and all that. Not really. We're both watching our weight. So I'm gonna show you what he does every year. He does best is this one. It's a card. And I'm gonna show you what it says here, okay? It says, to my wife, my love. And I'm gonna read it to you. It says, we've been together long enough to know that we are made for each other. We face challenges that have made us stronger and brought us closer. We balance who we are as a couple with who we are as individuals. You've taught me a lot about the power of love and what I can do and what it can do. I'm so proud of what we have together and proud to have you as my wife. Happy Valentine's. Love you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the first half. And here's the other half. It's pretty powerful words right here. That almost 50 years, it's all right here. And he's so thoughtful. I have never met a man that's so thoughtful and so caring and so loving. That's why we're together. And we are so proud to be together of what we've been through. We've been through many challenges like everybody else in a marriage. And we stuck with it, and we solved problems. We just trust each other, and we did everything the best we know how to keep our marriage together. There are some fights and there are some challenges, but ending the marriage doesn't solve the problem. It takes two to solve the problem, because that's why we're here. We're partner in life. And so I just love him, you know, and he loves me. I know the very first time that I met him, the very first time that I saw him, I was really afraid and of getting involved with somebody, because I have never involved with anybody in my life that close like I did to him. And we've been through thick and thin. I mean, thick and thin. We've been through, but we always try to solve the problem. It's the patience, and it's the trust, and it's the love, and it's the love of God. So praise the Lord that He has blessed us together. I know the very first time that we met, I didn't say that this is it, you know, this is what I want for my life. It didn't. It's like okay, you know, and then the more, that's why it's best that the longer you date with someone, the more you're gonna get to know that person. And that's what we did. We dated, and we didn't give in right away to, you know, what I'm talking about. We didn't think about that much. We were just like together, you know, just together for a long time. And I think God had blessed our relationship, and God chose him for me, and God chose me for him. So, and that is why we're together. So it's getting long now. It's almost 5 minutes, but just want to thank you for listening in, and thank you for always watching my channel and all that. Thank you for trusting me, and I try to do the best I can to upload for you guys. So thank you so much. Happy Valentine's to everybody out there. and I hope that yours is just great as well. So there's nothing wrong with going to a dinner. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It's just that we're watching what we eat. So and